Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latoya Ebony. I do type 4 natural hair care videos. So take a look around, subscribe, check out Zoe, who is my hair. And today we're gonna talk about the Cardi B mask, AKA the mask that all the OGs been doing since like the beginning of time. I don't gotta watch, but you get the point. I went to Target, that's the bougie way of saying it. And I got all of the ingredients, but I'm gonna just remix it a little. Well, basically omit the eggs because child, we ain't trying to get no salmonella up in here. You know what I'm saying? Like, there are some things that I can do. That one, I just cannot. But you'll see why it probably will still work anyway. The consistency might be a little different. Also, I'm partnering with Daily Harvest today. Yes! Can y'all just congratulate a sister? Can you congratulate me on partnering with a company that's gonna help me with my little health? I'm detoxing, you guys. If you don't know, you know. Follow me on IG stories, but let's go ahead and get into this hair mask, okay?
Before we get started, begin on dry hair. If your hair is stretched, it'll be easier to apply, but it's not necessary. You'll need 1 to 2 avocados, mayonnaise, olive oil, honey, black castor oil, and argan oil for this recipe. Put all of the ingredients in the blender. Cardi doesn't give exact measurements, but I'd say eyeball it for your own hair and density and the length, of course. I personally would need 2 avocados and more mayonnaise to cover all of my hair since I'm not using egg, but you should adjust to your liking. Blend until very, very smooth. Now, you know I can't talk about the benefits of food in your hair without talking about it in your body. I always say growing long, strong, beautiful hair starts from the inside, and I've been using Daily Harvest to incorporate more organic fruits and vegetables in my diet. It's delivered to your door and ready in minutes, and they work directly with farmers to grow the best produce, harvest it at the right time, and freeze it within 24 hours at the source to lock in amazing flavor and wonderful nutrition. I've got smoothies, harvest bowls, a flatbread, and some ice cream. But my favorite has to be this chocolate and blueberry smoothie. Listen, I'm not normally a chocolate lover, so you know they're doing something right when I say it tastes good. The ingredients are free of artificial things like gums, fillers, and preservatives, and it tastes like dessert. And this broccoli and cheese harvest bowl was so good. Everything is plant-based, so I was impressed with the cheesy taste. It was easy to make and fast, just the way that I like it. If you're looking to supplement all the hard work you're putting in on your hair care with nutrients from the inside out in an easy way, I 100% recommend you give this a try. Use the code Latoya for $25 off your first box, and do yourself a favor and try that chocolate blueberry smoothie.
Hello. Okay, so I've got my Daily Harvest. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put this mask on, and let's see. I think what I want to do is do 1/2 of my head. And the amount that I have in here is not even like enough. And it's been sitting here for a second and kind of separating just a little bit. So yeah, let's do 1/2. And I just want to see if there's an actual difference in the feel of my hair. Now, this may be something that I have to do over time. Here's the thing. I know that the food molecules, they're really not going to penetrate inside my hair shaft. But that does not mean that it can't create a difference on the surface of my hair shaft, on the cuticle of my hair. So we're gonna do 1/2 and 1/2, and we're just gonna see. We're just gonna see if it actually makes a difference. Yeah, there's no like emulsifier in here, meaning like the oil, and oil and water don't mix, obviously. And so over time, I'm finding that this mask really does separate on the hair. I mean, separate in the jar, but it's really smooth going on, my God. Don't you just love avocado, you guys? Oh, my precious avocado being used on my hair. So I'm really loving how my hair feels. The avocado has like a very nice consistency to it. So what I'm gonna do is put this little plastic cap on. Here we go. We're gonna leave this in for a little while. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat up my flaxseed cap and I'm gonna put this on my head and I'm gonna be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back. My hair is washed, conditioned, deep conditioned. Yes, I do that every single wash. I always deep condition. So I just wanted to follow the same process and then compare the two sides. So as far as the feeling, it's very slight. I honestly, when I put it on my hair and I rinse it off, on that rinsing process, I did not like how my hair felt. It felt kind of, I don't know, like it had this stripped, weird feeling to it. Like I could feel the coating of oil, but it felt so much drastically different when the avocado was on my hair. I love the texture going on. Didn't like it so much rinsing off, but now feeling the difference, it feels as though this side, even though physically I can't see a difference, this side feels, the strands feel a little smoother. How can I explain this? It almost feels like the strands themselves are like slightly more weighed down, even though I know that they're not. This side actually feels a little bit more of that stripped feeling than this side. It's very, very slight, and honestly, had I not done this comparison, I would not have known the difference. Now, here's the tea, guys. Thankfully, I've taken care of my hair. I take care of my hair very, very well. So when it comes to treatments and things like that, unless I'm having a problem, unless you are having a problem in a certain area, you may or may not see results, right? I mean, that's just common sense. For example, if you are deficient in biotin in your body and you start taking biotin pills, then you are going to see the difference. If you have sufficient amount levels of biotin in your system and you're taking biotin, there won't be any effect. And that's how I feel sometimes with treatments in my hair. My hair is very healthy. I work very hard on it. I wash it weekly. I deep condition it weekly. I have a whole lot of videos if you guys want to see it. Also, shout out to Patreon, you guys. Patreon, thank you guys. Patreon supports my channel. It supports the products that I buy. So thank you so much for all of my Patreon members. If you're looking for like lives with me every single month and a little bit of extra content, check out my Patreon, patreon.com/Latoya Ebony. We have a lot of fun over there, and I like to have it's just like a better communication. So shout out to Patreon for, providing these products that we all get to enjoy. And you guys, I think this is going to be the last time that I use food on my hair. Because the difference for me is not monumental and it takes a lot of work. So, I appreciate this. I can see how it makes a difference in people's hair because I do feel a difference, but it's not enough for me to like be in the kitchen making this all the time. You know what I'm saying? So that is my review of the mask. You guys, I hope it was sufficient. So with that, I'm gonna get going. Go ahead and check out Daily Harvest. I think that it is a great service if you are looking for something fast, convenient, if you're busy, if you want to incorporate more healthy meals into your diet. And even the size of the portions, you can have a little something else. If you're the type of person who needs like meat or something, you don't necessarily have to be vegan to try this. And you're gonna get $25 off, y'all. $25 off of your first order. Click the link down below. Use my code. I always appreciate your support, of course. This obviously helps me bring you more content, and I'm always appreciative of all of that. All right. I will see you guys in a few days. Bye. Subscribe. Mwah.